Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to sew a very beautiful coat. Let's do it step by step. Out of your 3-meter fabric, cut apart the fabric which has weight of 16 inch and length of 54 inch. Then fold it into half to cut the back first. Neck 3 inch, shoulder 5 inch, armholes 9 inch, then create a straight line, mark it, then mark 4 inch, and finally creating curved line at the sides. Now cut it. Cut the middle as well. Now cut apart the fabric which has weight of 20 inch and a length of 59 inch. Then fold it into half. Then place one side of back part on the fabric to cut the front and mark it with chalk. Now creating front neck. Now cut the front. Now you can see how it looks like once we sew it. Now we are going to cut the sides. Take a part of your fabric which has weight of 24 inch and length of 51 inch. Then fold it into half to make it 4 layers. Then place back part on fabric. Mark 6 inch at the beginning and 6 inch at the end of the fabric. Add 4.5 inch more to create full length of armholes. After marking, cut 4 pieces sides. This is how it looks like once you sew it. Now for cutting the sleeves, take a part of the fabric which has weight of 18 and length of 47. Then fold it into half and cut the sleeves. Now cutting lining for the front neck. Now we are done with all cutting. Let's start stitching. This is back side. Stitch the middle part first. We are done. Now stitch the sides. Back part completed. Now it's the time to stitch sides of front. We are done. Now attach the shoulders with each other. Completed the shoulders, as you see. Now create a seam here and then attach it with the back neck. Now we are going to connect the linings with the front neck. Do the same method as we did earlier. Now completed. Turn it into right side and press it with hot iron. It's the time to sew these sides. Now stitch the sleeve itself and then connect it with the shoulders. Now stitch the coat's seams from right side to make it more beautiful and organized. Now for seaming pockets, first mark 18 inch for both sides and then create a straight line. Now directly attach the pockets under a straight line. Now we are about to finish. The last part is to stitch the ending of the coat and the sleeves. Thanks for watching. Bye.